Hi, this is Marcos with the Maven imaging support team. Today we're going to be going over how to install and configure the Voyance viewer software. The software is going to be utilized to view X-ray images taken from the X-ray acquisition computer in the X-ray machine room that came with your system. So first thing, you're going to pull up your internet browser and you're going to go to the following website: medicatechusa.com. You're going to go to the Voyance portion of the website. You're going to scroll down and click on the Voyance Viewer Latest Release button. That is going to download the software, and you're going to click that software to open up the installation program. So all the default options here are going to be best utilized, so just click Next, 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 and Install. Once this finishes, you're just going to click on Finish, and it will launch the Voyance Viewer software automatically. You're going to select your anatomy for your practice, so we're going to go ahead with human. And then you're going to select Update License if it prompts you to do so. Now here, this should automatically populate with the X-ray system's IP address. If it does not, just click inside the license server field and then select Discover. That will then automatically pick up the IP address of the server. You're going to hit Connect. And once that is done, you should be able to log in. You should be able to do so without a password. Now, to ensure this is configured correctly, you're going to want to hit Clear and Search. That's going to then download each of the X-rays that are on your acquisition machine. Then you can click on each individual one, make sure the images are populating, and that should be it. If you've got any questions about how to manipulate any of the files, or how to export or email any of the exposures taken in this viewer software, you can reference some of the other videos that'll be in this walkthrough. Thank you so much.